Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log out your TEMU account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is click open the TEMU app. Once you click it open, it will take some time to launch it as it reboots itself. So once it's completely booted, it will lead you to its home page where you can see the profile icon on the below of the screen. You need to simply tap it open and scroll down on the drop down menu. There you can find the settings option where you need to simply click on. Once you click on the setting option, you can find the sign out option. Once you click it as well, you can find the sign out, which you need to finally click, and you will be logged out from your TEMU account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.